Jergens Workholding Solutions has the most comprehensive quick change systems available to address today's demands for short lead times, small batch sizes, and frequent setup changes. Our products range from standard to custom, and our in-house application engineers can assist you in solving your workholding challenges, no matter how complex. Here's a quick look at our impactful quick change systems and workholding accessories. The ball lock mounting system provides a proven method to quickly and accurately locate and lock fixtures onto machine tables and subplates. Ball lock continues to be absolutely essential in allowing users to achieve incredibly fast setups and changeovers, strong holding forces, and minimize spindle downtime. ZPS is the most accurate quick change system on the market. Jergens zero-point mounting system allows you to fix, position, and clamp in a single step. ZPS allows operators of automated systems to quickly change out large and small fixtures with extreme accuracy, repeatability, and minimal effort. Jergens Quick Lock Pallet System offers fast and accurate fixture changes for 5-axis, horizontal, vertical, and rotary operations. Quick Lock Pallet System is the industry's preferred choice for increased machining access and quick changeover. The comprehensive selection of base pallets, risers, and accessories allow this system to be configured for multiple applications. Jergens Fixture Pro with Quick Locating System, or QLS, allows for rapid and accurate location of components, risers, and fixtures on a subplate. This unique modular design offers maximum flexibility that allows you to easily move jobs from one machine to another while maintaining accuracy. The QLS mounting grid can be easily adapted to subplates, columns, and risers of all sizes. Jergens Fixture Pro Modular Vise System offers a variety of 5-axis solutions to get your part off the table and allow for greater access with minimal jaw lift. Available in both 130mm and 75mm widths and multiple jaw styles, they accommodate a wide array of workpiece sizes. Jergens Production Vises offer multiple part holding solutions for vertical and horizontal machining centers. Multiple mounting options, quick change jaw capabilities, machinable jaws, high accuracy, and repeatability make this vise the market leader. Jergens OK Vise workholding clamps and accessories bring three-dimensional machining to your workflow. These clamps, when tightened down, expand, securely holding one or multiple workpieces. Using the standard components of the system make even the most challenging workpiece types machinable. Small in size, giant in performance. Jergens power clamping products are available in both hydraulic and pneumatic configurations. Power clamping allows for highly repeatable clamping processes in today's world of automated machining. Jergens Workholding Solutions Group is committed to helping its customers achieve leaner, more profitable manufacturing and continues to add products and engineered solutions to help our customers achieve maximum productivity. What's your next challenge?